sound of Little Big Town. They got a new tune called Sugarcoat, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It's in the key of C. I like this band. They've got some great grooves, and their songs are, you know, they have a great feel to them. This one starts out, the intro is just kind of an easy strum C, E minor, then it goes to A minor, to F. One more time. This is basically the chorus, by the way. We start out with the changes. A minor. And then in the verse, we get the C and the C major 7th. Okay, just by lifting your C note up on your B string. And then I go to an F. And back to the C. You can lift up. Open E down here too. Kind of a cool sound. Almost a Beatles sound. Back to an F. And then here they have a D major, a D7, sorry. Okay. With an F in it. And then it goes to a D minor. It's like a B section. To F. Back to D minor. Back to the chorus. C, E minor, A minor, to F. C, E minor, A minor, and back to the F. And that sets up the second verse. Right to the D minor, the B section, A minor to F. Back to the chorus. E minor, A minor, to F. So this is a good song to just kind of get your groove on it. By all means, jump in. That's the basic bones of the song, right? He does a little breakdown then. But check out this C. Just by lifting your index finger up, you get to a C major 7th. Pretty cool. And you can also go from this C here and open up that low E. Another sound. Like the Beatles. It's a really cool change. And then to the F. So that's Little Big Town, and it's called Sugarcoat. Really cool song, brand new song for you. Hope you enjoy it.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.